So this is the old one, and we're replacing it for the new axle, kingpin, or I don't know why they call it. It's for the tractor.
Can you bring over the new axle?
The new axle? Okay, I'll get the new axle. This is the new axle. It weighs like 20 kilos.
Okay. Now, what else you can get me, if you don't mind?
Maybe 10 kilos. What?
That.
Sure.
Okay, I'll just do a temporary, have a look to see if it goes up, to see what it's like. Okay. Alright, so what I'm going to do, give me that tin of grease. I do. Doesn't matter if this grease is not that pure, but because it's not a ball bearing or something like that, just introduce some grease down the bottom here. Stand it up here. Just
Okay.
Woodruff key, and now I'm going to put it in a way that God. Oh, there. Can you get me that boulder in? Oh, so.
What do you want? Oh, this one. Okay.
Okay. Whoops.
That hurt.
Yeah. That's that bolt's too small. Right? Oh, wait a minute.
What? Oh my god!
I didn't put the new seal in.
Oh, okay.
Oh shit. Will you go and get the seal?
Okay. There's seal in there and a bearing and a seal.
That washer.
Huh?
Oh god.
Where it should be.
It goes up in there before. Before you put that on, you should have put this in.
Told ya.
I'd have to put that on first. Because this one. There. Now we'll try and put that back on. Okay.
Oh my gulay.
You're a dangerous person to work around, I tell you. Now, where's the bolt?
The bolt and the...
See, that's been... Yeah. You put the washer on? Come on, we're making enough mistakes as it is without making more.
Well, if you don't make that mistake, you won't remember what you did. Agay, nako.
You're going to do that side, eh?
Be.
Let's use the other end, right?
This end?
Well, it's easier to, it might be easier to put on now. Shit. I'll Let's put that there for now.
Okay.
Because I didn't put new bushes in. Okay. Can you or I've got everything in it. You hear the solid noise? It's up against the end. Okay. It's about right. Yeah, is that about? Why did you do what? How are you?
A little bit more than. Okay.
What do you want to do? Okay. Oh, your work very good.
Oh, right there. It's worth filming.
What?
Huh?
What?
Did I measure it good?
No.
No?
Gotta go down. Just hold it there.
Yeah, okay. Oops. It's popping. Don't say it's popping.
Okay.
Okay, oops.
Right.
You got it right.
Okay. It's all right. It's okay. That goes into the key there, so it doesn't turn. Put the nut on first. Now, what was the size nut? Oh, there's a bit of cheating here. Yeah, I'm just the bearing.
Oh my gulay. Told you. You're so dangerous.
I am. I told you. Dangerous. Dangerous Dave.
Ay,
Oh, shit, why won't that go in there?
the bottom one. Okay.
Is that grass or grease?
Grass mixed with grease.
Well, we don't have grass in there.
Have to get out.
Oh, shit. Now. Oh, okay. Now, I'm going to find There's the hole. There's the hole. There it is.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. The weight's off it. The wheel didn't fall off.
Just leave it there.
Alright, so does it turn? Just like I bought one. Oh! That one does too. What the hell is this falling apart? Oh, got neat pliers to put it in there now.
Yeah, you cannot poke it right through.
Okay.
Got it.
Okay. Now, what we so that fits, and the big yellow tin of grease wherever I put it.
Okay.
I shit myself.
Nice color.
Baby shit. I might have put too much in there.
Oops.
It's all right. Bloody awful. I keep doing
You should part first before you shit. You want me to roll it?
Well, there.
You done? Okay.